Hi, I'm Lisbeth from Cypress Diagnostics. Today, I reveal how to gain time, save costs, and ease your work list in biochemistry analysis with only one simple tool, the CYANVision Worklist. Older generation analyzers work as follows. They do one test for all patients without inserting the patient information up front. The CYANVision is unique by introducing the worklist mode. It is an innovative, software-driven technology that boosts your sample management and optimizes the turnaround time for you. Also, sample and patient information are inserted upfront the measuring process, which enhances the reporting and the patient's follow-up. What is that gain? What are your time savings? Let's take 20 samples, 3 analytes. We compared the CYANVision worklist to the older generation analyzers in turnaround time. The first bar represents the older generation, the second one the CYANVision worklist. Using the worklist, you are 37% faster. And it gets even better. The more samples you do, the bigger the time gain. What else can you win? What are the other benefits of the CYANVision worklist? Not only time is important. The CYANVision worklist also unlocks your cost savings and boosts your turnaround time effortlessly. It also reduces your reagent consumption with optimized workflow, fewer repeats, and less cross-contamination. In addition, with this worklist tool, your quality controls are better organized, resulting in obtaining the QC data faster with a higher level of confidence. The CYANVision worklist also elevates your patient management by generating instant detailed patient reports, ensuring clear patient follow-ups, this way enhancing the diagnostic value. Empower your lab with the CYANVision worklist. It is time to excel. It is time to stand out. I highly recommend requesting a demonstration and trying out the product for yourself. It's always beneficial to have a hands-on experience and gain a deeper understanding of the functionality. Let me know if you need any assistance arranging a demonstration. Do you want to know more? Subscribe now. Discover our 1, 2, 3 videos on how to use the worklist feature on our CYANVision user page.